All right, hello. This is going to be a short, maybe short, introduction to the angle addition postulate. I'm going to go through the general form of the angle addition postulate, and then a few intro type, little simpler angle addition problems. So, angle addition postulate is similar to the segment addition postulate. You take two smaller bits and add them together to get the whole thing. So what we have here is we have, let me actually grab some Sharpies. I don't know why I'm not using Sharpies. We have three angles here actually. Now usually students look at this and they're like, oh, there's two angles there, but there's not. There's three angles here. There is angle CMB. There's this angle. All right. And then there is also angle BMA. So there is also this angle. And then the third angle is the whole angle, right? We have a little piece and a little piece, a little angle and a little angle, but there is also this whole angle, which is CMA or AMC, however you want to say it. But there's three angles, right? You get this, what I usually tell students is you get this little piece and this little piece, and then you add them together to get the big piece. All right, so we have little piece, big piece. All right. That is what the angle addition postulate is, just like the segment addition postulate, where with the segment addition postulate, you had a little piece, which would be this little section, plus another little piece, which would then be this section to here. And when you add them together, using the segment addition postulate, you would get the whole piece, because this plus this is this. And it's the same thing with the angle addition postulate. And how you would write this out is, there's multiple different ways, but how I would write it out is I would do angle AMB, so angle AMB plus, so that's a little angle, that is this violet one, angle AMB plus angle BMC, which is this little blue angle, so BMC, so plus angle BMC equals the big angle, which is angle AMC. AMC. When you're naming angles, you're just connecting the dots, right? You go AMB and then BMC, and then for the big one, you go AMC. So you get, right, we're getting little plus little equals big. That is the angle addition postulate, all right? That is angle addition postulate. So how we use that, and for this intro, this is how my students are going to be using it for their introduction problems, are problems like this. Did that zoom in? I don't know. Okay, yes it did. All right. So our angle is like this, where you have to set up an angle addition postulate. So if this little angle is 62 and this little angle is A and the whole thing is 139, I can set up 62 plus A, angle A, equals 139. Because the little piece plus the little piece equals the whole thing. And then you just subtract off 62 and A equals, well, if that was so easy, okay, so that would be 37, and then, what's it, 77. And it's really important that you put the degree symbol because we're talking about degrees, we're talking about angle measures. So your answer would be A equals 77. Same thing in this case, you get the little piece, which is 32, plus A equals the whole thing, which is 152. Subtract off 32 degrees from both sides, and you get A equals 120 degrees. That would be your answer. All right, so we got the same scenario here. We got the little piece, which is 79, plus the little angle, which is A, equals the whole thing, which is 111. Subtract off 79, and you will get A equals, subtract off 79, you get A equals, what is that, 20? Not 22, that's not enough, 32. 32. 32 degrees. All right, finally, this is a different type. So number 4 is a little bit different. Number 4, you get the little piece, which is 37, plus the other little piece, which is now 101, equals the big piece. So for this one, you just add them together. So you get 138 degrees equals A. So that one, all you have to do is just add them together. Same thing for this one. So this one, we're going to get 40 plus 122 equals the big angle, which is A. And we would then get, add together, we get 162 degrees equals A. All right, awesome. So last one, we get the little angle, which is 40, plus the other little angle, which is A in this case, equals the whole angle, which is 106. So in order to solve for A, we need to subtract 40. So A equals, subtract 40 from both sides, and you get 66 degrees. All right, awesome. Hopefully this was helpful. That's all this video is gonna contain. So just the angle addition. All right, you got the angle addition postulate, which is the little piece plus the little piece equals the big piece, right? You get little angle plus little angle equals the big angle. And that's what you do here. You take the little angle plus the little angle, set it equal to the whole thing. All right, and then you solve for what is missing. I hope this video was helpful. That's it. I'm tired. I need to go home. So I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching. And I hope you found it helpful.